How do I do a not equal in django-queryset filtering? In Django model query sets, I see that there is a __gt and __lt for comparative values, but is there a __ne or not equals? I want to filter out using a not equals. For example, I want to do. The not equal is not correct syntax. I also tried __ne. I ended up using.
You can use Q objects for this. They can be negated with the tilde operator and combined much like normal Python expressions. Will return all entries except the ones with 3 as their ID.
The field equals value syntax in queries is a shorthand for field __ exact equals value. That is to say that Django puts query operators on query fields in the identifiers. Django supports the following operators. I'm sure by combining these with the Q objects, as Dave Voigt suggests, and using filter, or exclude, as Jason Baker suggests, you'll get exactly what you need for just about any possible query.
Your query appears to have a double negative. You want to exclude all rows where x is not 5, so in other words you want to include all rows where x is 5. I believe this will do the trick. To answer your specific question, there is no not equal to field lookup, but that's probably because Django has both filter and exclude methods available, so you can always just switch the logic around to get the desired result.
It's easy to create a custom lookup. There's an __ne lookup example in Django's official documentation. You need to create the lookup itself first. Then you need to register it. And now you can use the __ne lookup in your queries like this.
Sono solo 3 secondi.